Before stepping on board, let's get you ready for the features of the Viking Freya. Specifically today, we'll be talking about the French balcony room. The majority of the French balcony rooms will be located on the middle deck of the ship, but there are a few as well on the upper deck of the Freya. Today we will be looking at room 206, located on the middle deck of the ship. Stepping into your French balcony room might seem like tight quarters, but after this walkthrough, you will notice there are lots of features in this 135 square foot room to make your time on board comfortable. First, let's talk about the bed, or beds in this case. Shown in the 2-bed configuration, the Viking Explorer bed can be converted to a queen bed if desired. This can be noted at time of booking, and that end table in the middle will just move to the other side, and then the beds will be pushed together. You then will have access to outlets. The room has both 110 and 220 outlets, as well as USB ports. Underneath the beds, you can also store your suitcases, so they are out of the way for your trip. Directly across from the bed is a little narrow walkway, and then you'll have your desk area. This desk area has a nice little stool for getting ready or if you want to get something done, and it'll stow out of the way when not in use. There's also a giant mirror as well as the TV. On the desk, you have the charging spot for your earpieces when you're on your tours, some more charging ports, some hand sanitizer, and even a bottle of water that is refilled every day. And below the desk on the right side, you'll have a handful of drawers to store some clothes or other items in, and to the right of that is the mini fridge for keeping any items cold that you might want to. Next to the desk area, you have another set of shelves. This is also where your in-room safe's going to be, so it's a nice place to put some more clothes and put some more things, any trinkets you might get. The next compartment back towards the door is where all your hangers, and if you have coats or anything else you'd like to hang, this is where that would be stored. Right behind us, let's talk about the bathroom. You have some countertop space to put things on. You also have a little bit of shelving back in the right corner. The bathroom is also equipped with a nice spacious glass enclosed shower, heated floors, an anti-fog mirror, and the room does come equipped with a hair dryer, so there's no need to bring your own. The last main feature of the room is obviously the floor-to-ceiling sliding glass door, which opens up to a French balcony. Even though it might not be a full balcony, it's still nice to open the door and get some fresh air in. I think for being only 135 square feet, Viking does a pretty good job of packing as much storage and comfort as they can. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. Stay tuned because we got a full review coming of the Viking Freya. And until next time, enjoy your adventure.